Hello there viewers, welcome back to Drawing Stuff with Paul Yeatman. Today I'm going to run through how to make your own colour swatches. This may be useful if you wish to compare your markers or pencils or paint against a reference image you want to colour match. It may also be a fun little project for you. What you will need is some paper, preferably the type that you're going to draw on or that you regularly draw on. I'm using an old sketch pad with a couple of spare pages. In this video I'll be creating a swatch set out of my Derwent Artist pencils. This box has 24 of them. I have another couple of boxes of 72, so we'll do the lot of them. Grabbing a pencil, I determine how big the swatches are to be based on where the hole goes and how big I write the pencil description. Now that the grid is done, I grab a marker and write in the pencil series, this being Derwent Artists, and the pencil colour and number. I do this for all of the pencils in the box. Other materials you will need are a knife or a scalpel, fixing spray, a cutting surface, a hole punch, and finally the key ingredient is something to swatch, so in this case the set of pencils. Once my swatches were coloured, I took them outside and sprayed them with the fixative. This should stop the pencil smudging or wearing out over time. One thing to take account of here is what you use to record the details. I used a biro for some of these and that ran in the fixative. When I used a Unipin fineliner it did not, so go with something that an alcohol marker does not smudge. As well as the creation and cutting method demonstrated here, another method I used was to cut all the little rectangles out first. I don't recommend that. It makes colouring in the ends of the swatches difficult, and trying to spray fixative outside in a breeze is much harder than a big sheet of paper secured in a pad. Finally, I hole punch the cards and thread a shoelace through the holes in the end. This results in a nice little bound set of swatches. They do not fan out particularly well like you'll get in a professional job, so another way of binding them would be the way to go if I wanted this to work better, as currently fanning is pretty manual and you need to work your way through the setup with the current binding. In what I thought was a nice touch, I added a cardboard front and back cover. That should help with the longevity of the swatches. Here's a photo of the final 72 swatches along with some metallic pencils added in as they were laying around. So pretty much gave the cover the details of what's in there, so I know what it is. If you found this video interesting, informative, entertaining and all that stuff, subscribe, like and share. Until next time, ciao!